Welcome to Wealth with Cassandra, where we build wealth, freedom, mindset, and success together.
Have you ever wondered what separates millionaires from the average person? It's not always luck, a genius IQ, or even working 16 hours a day. One of the biggest differences is habits, specifically their morning routine. Today, I'm going to break down the millionaire morning routine that you can copy starting tomorrow. Step by step. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also share how you can adapt this routine to fit your lifestyle, even if you're not a morning person. Step 1. Wake up with intention. Millionaires don't just roll out of bed, hit snooze 6 times, and scroll on their phones. They wake up with purpose. Most successful people wake up early, not to torture themselves, but to give themselves a head start. Think of it this way. If you wake up at 5 or 6 a.m., you've got 2 to 3 hours of undistracted time before the world starts demanding things from you. But it's not just about the time, it's about the state of mind. Instead of grabbing your phone, start with deep breathing, stretching, or even just saying, "Today is another opportunity to win." Millionaires wake up with intention. You can too, whether that means 5 a.m. or even 7 a.m., as long as you're consistent. Step 2. Move your body. Ever notice how many wealthy entrepreneurs talk about exercise? Richard Branson says working out gives him 4 extra hours of productivity every day. Why? Because movement increases energy, focus, and confidence. And you don't need a 2-hour gym session. Even 15 to 20 minutes of yoga, stretching, or a quick jog gets your blood flowing and puts your brain in peak state. Millionaires know their body is their greatest asset. They treat it that way. Step 3. Fuel your mind. Here's a big one. Successful people feed their minds before they feed their inbox. That could mean reading 10 pages of a book, listening to a podcast, or journaling. Warren Buffett spends hours every morning reading because he believes knowledge compounds just like money. Instead of checking Instagram, spend 10 minutes learning, planning, or reflecting. Write down 3 things you're grateful for and 3 goals you're working toward. This primes your brain for positivity and focus. Step 4. Visualization and goal setting. Millionaires don't leave their day to chance. They design it. Visualization is a powerful tool. Olympic athletes use it to see themselves winning gold before they ever step on the field. In the same way, millionaires imagine their success, their businesses thriving, their relationships growing. Take 5 minutes each morning to picture yourself achieving your goals. Then, write down your top 3 priorities for the day. Notice I didn't say 20 priorities, just 3. That's how you stay focused like the wealthy do. Step 5. Healthy fuel. Now, let's talk breakfast. Millionaires don't always eat the same thing, but they do treat their body like a high-performance machine. That means high-quality fuel. Think protein, fruits, whole foods, not donuts, and energy drinks. Your energy levels directly impact your decision-making, and bad decisions cost money. So next time you're reaching for that sugary pastry, remember, clarity and focus come from what you put in your body. Step 6. Take action early. Here's the final, and maybe most important step. They take action before distractions. Millionaires know that mornings are the best time to tackle the hardest tasks. That could mean making business calls, writing, creating content, or working on long-term projects. By noon, most people are already drained from emails, meetings, and noise. But if you knock out your biggest task first thing, you've already won the day. So let's recap the millionaire morning routine you can copy. Wake up with intention. Move your body. Fuel your mind. Visualize and set 3 daily goals. Eat clean fuel. Take action early. The best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start this. In fact, you become one by living with these habits consistently. So tell me in the comments, which of these habits are you going to try tomorrow? If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more success strategies, and share this with someone who wants to level up their mornings. Remember, success isn't built overnight. It's built every morning. See you in the next video.